I'm Samapti Guha. I'm Associate Professor at the Center for Social Entrepreneurship at School of Management and Labor Studies in Tata Institute of Social Sciences. The objective of the MA program in Social Entrepreneurship is to create a platform where budding social entrepreneurs can solve the social problems and try to bring the social change in the society. And another thing is that to create an environment where we can have dialogue, discussion and creation of the research base, and we can also identify the different issues related to the research on social entrepreneurship, because this is the new area of the research in the knowledge domain. Initially, we make a team from the Tata Institute of Social Sciences to study what does it mean, and we also studied lot of course works or pedagogy from different institutions of national repute like London School of Business, Oxford Said Business School and Lead Business School, to understand that what are the pedagogy or subjects a social entrepreneur can study, and then we come out with a pedagogy in 2007, and we launched the MA program in September 2007. Now, after 3 years of experience, there is a lot of changes happened in the course pedagogy. Most of the courses we give lot of focus on the field work, because we found that when an entrepreneur started his business, he needs more application based study and experiences. And that's why 50% of our course is focused on the field work. Even our class assignments are also based on the field work. So, and over the time period, we also felt that they should have a platform where they can make the social network, because the whole entrepreneurial concept needs to build a good social capital and a social network, and that's why we established link between Tata Institute of Social Sciences and the National Entrepreneurship Network, then TISS Mumbai and also TISS Boston. And the last November, we also visited Babson College in US, which is the premier institute of entrepreneurship, and the college professors also ready to give us support for the social network, and also they will support if our students will visit Babson for so we are about to establish a collaboration between the Babson College and Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and presently the professors in Tata Institute of Social Sciences also exploring different possibility of collaboration for this subject.
Entrepreneurship is based on a different method of teaching. The pedagogy adopted is quite different, and it's not teaching in that sense. It's a more experiencing by the students. What we follow, the method of teaching is basically inductive teaching, where students experience, learn, come back to the class, discuss, and then proceed further. So that's what we call as inductive pedagogy. Students are also required to spend time in generating ideas. They spend a lot of time in discussing the ideas, discussing about assumptions, validating the assumptions during their rural visits, what we call as beta minus testing of idea, and when they come back, they learn other things. In addition to the regular courses, they also sit down and develop their venture plans, and the venture plans are then subjected to pilot testing. So this is what we call as beta testing. So students proceed from beta minus testing, that is the idea, to idea validation, to pilot testing. So it's very evident that this is not a program which offers placement, which guarantees placement. Rather, placement is not a part of this program. So this program is not for those who are seeking placement. This program is for those who want to get engaged with the society, those who want to solve the problem of the society, those who want to get engaged with the society to change the way society is moving. So certainly it's a very challenging paradigm. This program throws open a lot of challenges. Nevertheless, we have very strong incubation system, incubation process. Interesting part of the incubation process is we have incubation without incubation. Even the program itself is quite innovative in that sense, that we have many channel partners, we have many network partners, we have many well-wishers on board. We use their facilities, we use their expertises, they come and help us, we go and help them, and that's how incubation happens. So incubation doesn't happen in a room, incubation happens everywhere. And this is done under expert guidance of professionals, entrepreneurs, those who are managing social ventures, NGOs, organizations like Ashoka Foundations are a partner of this program. This is very interesting paradigm where we are really getting many people on board, and the program runs like a networked event in the country. We are also trying to reach out to other agencies, like we are working with some corporates, some other initiatives where we are extending our help of similar kind of experiences to them to develop more social entrepreneurs. So this program is not only for the student who comes here, but also the extension goes beyond the campus, and the participation is widespread across the country. Seed funding is something which we are trying to bring on board, and we are already successful in getting some well-wisher on board. They are helping us to get some small money which a student can take and do their beta testing of their ideas. They can go to their villages, they can go to their towns and hometowns and work with people around, and spend little time in understanding whether they have understood the problem correct, whether their assumptions are right, whether their ideas work. And there is no stricture attached whether the idea is successful or idea is not successful, whether the idea is working or not working. What is important is the learning, and that gives tremendous amount of confidence to the student to get along with the program. We are here to create, as I said, change agents, and that's what basically the change agents are, not within the community, but how you reach out the larger community. When I say larger community, I mean international tie-ups. We have many international tie-ups. We have partnered with Babson College, Boston. We are doing faculty exchanges. We are also thinking about getting engaged in student exchange, where those students who take up entrepreneurship, they'll be spending some time in Boston. You know, Boston is very entrepreneurial in its climate, and there are group of institutions which are working over there. So we are trying to work out some scheme where we can allow the student to spend some time with entrepreneurs in Boston area and learn from them, and in return their students can also come to India and spend some time with our students and the NGOs, and we can help them learning the developmental areas of India.
Hi, I'm Jayant. I'm a first year student at Center for Social Entrepreneurship. I'm a member of the Entrepreneurship Cell at TISS. Entrepreneurship Cell was started in 2008 along with the faculty support to nurture entrepreneurship environment at TISS. Today we envision it as a platform to nurture and support entrepreneurship. Throughout the year we work closely with the faculty to create an excellent platform for entrepreneurship at various levels. Starting from the first year, where we have e-talks, where every week an entrepreneur or a leader from various fields come and express about their journey, talk about their perspective, so that the students are exposed to various dimensions and they develop their own perspectives. And closely to this, we also have exposure visits to various NGOs and enterprises, so that they spend enough time and get exposure to the real-time working of an enterprise. Following this, we have a weekly ideation workshop wherein student expresses his ideas and all the other students get together and brainstorm and ideate over that idea to check its feasibility and to take it to next level. To have a practical exposure for each student, we have a platform called SE Zone, where it is created to provide a market linkage for NGOs and products from social enterprises, wherein the students create a platform for these products to reach the market. In the process, students will also get exposure to get to plan things and execute things, to market the products, and also see the success behind creating a pilot for a venture. And the entrepreneurship cell also looks at actively collaborating and with various bodies outside TISS, like National Social Entrepreneurship Forum, TISS Mumbai, NEN, and various other platforms, wherein the students get enough exposure to platform within India and even outside India. From this year, we are also having an annual social entrepreneurship convention, which is created to set a milestone in the social entrepreneurship ecosystem at TISS. So, speaking on a holistic perspective, a student as a member of entrepreneurship cell gets exposed to various aspects, right from idea to implementation.
E-cell of the institute is very active. They bring NGO products, sell them. They do a lot of education initiative within campus, outside campus. They bring different schools of TISS and organize a lot of meets, a lot of discussions. Partner with many agencies like TIE, like NSCF. So E-cell is very vibrant student body, which brings a lot of value to the program.